in China, material sustainability is also gaining strong momentum, though the pathway is shaped by the country's own industrial and policy context. China's dual carbon strategy, carbon peaking before 2030 and neutrality before 2060, has placed life cycle carbon accounting at the center of industrial policy. We see growing emphasis on product carbon footprint accounting, pilot certification systems, and the establishment of regional and national LCA databases. The main difference, differ from Europe's Green Deal and CBAM are regulatory levers directly linked to market access, while China's drivers are a combination of industrial upgrading, domestic policy pilots, and the need to maintain competitiveness in global trade. Where we converge in methodology, China is rapidly aligning with international LCA standards and frameworks, making cooperation with European partners like ICMQ essential. This creates a bridge where data, methods, and verification can be interpretable across markets. The tool we developed with ICMQ represents the first fully qualified digital solution for EPD generation in the Chinese steel sector. Steel production is the same for global, so it can be used for the global steel industry. It combines several critical features. First, standardization and compliance, built to align with EN 15804, ISO 14025, and sector-specific PCRs, ensuring international acceptance. Second, integration with local high-quality data, so leveraging EcoInvent or Chinese specific HiQLCD, high-quality data sets. The tool reflects the real conditions of steel production locally in China, in Asia. Third point is automation and usability. Designed as a digital platform, it streamlines data entry, verification, and reporting, lowering the barrier for companies to produce high-quality EPDs. And the third point is verification procedure. So we have direct verification connected to ICMQ's internal system to comply with all these verification requirements. So it can also accelerate the verification procedure, at the same time keep even higher quality and consistent. We choose to implement it because, China is the world's largest steel producer, and the industry urgently needs international recognized tools to demonstrate environmental performance. Partnering with ICMQ allowed us to combine European verification expertise with local data depth, ensuring credibility on both sides. So this tool is strategically important for China's steel industry at a moment when international trade rules are becoming stricter. For companies, the benefits are concrete and immediate. First, competitiveness in exporting markets. With CBAM and similar mechanism emerging, EPDs, verified under internationally accepted standards become essential for accessing European and global markets. So I think this time we also have steel client, more than China. They come from Asia. They have these demands. Secondly, it's about transparency and trust. By using independently verified data, companies demonstrate credibility to international buyers, investors, and regulators. Then it's efficiency and cost reduction. A standardized tool reduces duplication of efforts, lowers the cost of compliance, and accelerates reporting processes. A final point is about strategic positioning. It helps Chinese steelmakers transition from being rule takers to active participants in shaping global sustainability framework. Ultimately, the tool is not just about compliance. It enables Chinese companies to compete on equal footing, build trust across borders, and align with global pathways toward net zero. And for the whole EPD, the tool, the digitalization is the trend. So actually, this is also a successful model, successful case, how we can copy, this digital application, even with AI assistant, to more sectors like ICMQ. You are strong at the construction materials and the electronic equipment. So these are all potential application field and the direction of digital tools and AI tools.